Hey guys, what's going on? All right, so I'm at the store just picking up my next recipe, and I notice there's this company. It's called Birch Benders. I wonder if they're owned by a bigger company. Let's see, Birch Benders, Denver, Colorado. Okay, they're not owned by a bigger company. So I found all these dessert for people who are doing keto. They're low grams of carbs, and we're gonna try them all out and see how good they are. But these guys were everywhere. And like every time I turned around, there was their product keto, their product keto. I'm like, where'd these guys come from? So I have to do a little research, but I was very impressed with how many products they had. They have this, it's a brand, well, I'll show you. Come on in close. So this is what the brand looks like. Brownie mix, Birch Benders. You've got your brownie mix. You've got your cupcake or cake mix right here. This is cool. You've got your chocolate frosting, keto. You've got your vanilla frosting. Have no idea how they got a lot of stuff. We're going to be making this. It's like a little cookie cup. They've got this, and they've got a little cake cup and a little brownie cup that you can just heat it up. It's for one. They got the individual desserts. And then, check this out. Hold on. Let me run over here and grab it. When I say they're really all over the place, I mean it. So we're over in the freezer section. And look at this. They've got waffles. This company has got to have like a bigger company behind it that I don't know about. I keep looking on their boxes and I'm not seeing. It says product of Belgium, manufactured for Birch Benders LLC, Louisville, Colorado. I didn't know there was a Louisville in Colorado. Birchbenders.com. I don't know. Waffles, frosting, cake. These are all keto desserts laying out here. So, let's put that off the side. We're not going to check out the waffles today. We're sticking with the desserts, okay? So let me get these prepared, and we'll pop them in the oven and see if they're any good. So this is interesting. There is a difference between these two. Usually, like cake batter or cake boxes, they're all using the same amount of eggs, same amount of oil, same amount of water. So this one here, the brownie mix, is 2 eggs and I think it says half a cup of oil. Excuse me. This one's 3 eggs, but less oil, a third of a cup. All right, we're ready to throw everything together. Let's do it. We've got the oil, eggs, water. Got the water, the oil, and the eggs. So, I'm pulling out my equipment and I'm thinking, all right, so I will just mix these. I'll just grab I've always grew up using a fork. I don't know if my mom couldn't afford a whisk or not. I have no idea. But I've always been able to mix everything with a fork. We're going to pour this into the pan. Okay, this doesn't get baked as long. This gets baked a little bit less, but this one here, approximately about 30 minutes. Just read the packaging and I'll tell you. I think this is 27, this is like 33. But we're going to do the toothpick test. Toothpick where you put toothpick in. If it comes out clean, it's done. All right? They're all beautiful. These are kind of like mug cakes or mug desserts. This is the brownie one. I'm going to try this compared to the brownies that are in the oven right now. So as you can see, they got a little bit of batter in there. And the instructions say, remove the seal. I did that. This says add 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well until smooth, then microwave on high. Look how easy that is, right? So let's try it right now. 3 tablespoons. Okay, let me double check. That is 3. Yep, 3. Put it in there. All right. Hold on to it. It says mix until smooth. Looks smooth to you? Yep, looks good. 60 seconds. And that's what the brownie one looks like. It's all puffed up. You can let it cool for a minute. Put my cake batter in. Still warm. I like my brownies warm. Oh, still kind of hot. That tastes really good. This one is cake batter. Give that a try. I'm not a big cake batter fan, but that's really good if you like cake batter. I still like the brownie the best, but they're all good. Let's try the cookie one. The cookie one isn't even close. Not a fan of the cookie one. Cake batter or brownie mix, okay? These are like little mug cakes, all right, that you can just heat up. I think I like the brownie one the best, which is good because I'm baking a big dish of it. All right, guys, so we got the brownies here. We've got the yellow cake with the white frosting here. They're both keto frostings. They're both keto cakes, brownie and yellow cake. And you can do cupcakes with this one too. All right, so let's give it a try. All right, guys, let's give this a try. We're going to try the yellow cake with the white frosting first. I'll tell you if there's an aftertaste. A little tangy. Interesting. Cake's not bad. Kind of dry. I kind of felt like it was crumbly. And I think Tammy had tasted a little bit too. But yeah, that's a little crumbly. All right, the brownie rocks. Not a huge fan of the yellow cake, but you can pull it off. All right. The white frosting's good. I think I may have overcooked it, so it would be on me, not on the product. All right. Both products are definitely a crowd pleaser. If you got a sweet tooth, try it out. And what's the name of the company again? Birch Benders. Birch Benders. Came out of nowhere. We got waffles in the freezer. Yeah, like you really care. But my wife going, oh, what about waffles? I'm like, oh, that's great. Anyway, I love you guys. Try these desserts out. Try the little mug cakes out. It all was good. I was pretty much impressed with the whole line. I'll see you in the next episode.